Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all my students. Okay, for maths lesson today, okay, I will discuss a question from the Guaranteed Excellent Exercise, chapter 6. Okay, so we are going to discuss this one from the chapter 6, Guaranteed Excellent Exercise. If you open your maths textbook, page 116 and also page 117. Okay, so we are going to discuss question number 6. Okay, question is the diagram shows a solid made by combining a cylinder and a cone. Okay, half a kilogram of sugar can produce 1 liter of syrup to make a candies shaped like the solid. If the height of the cylinder is twice the radius of the cylinder, how many candies can be produced using 100 kg of sugar? Okay, so this diagram is given to you, combination between the cylinder and also the cone. This one is the shape of the candies. And the diameter for the cylinder and the cone is given, which is equal to 14 cm. And the height of the cylinder plus the height of the cone is given, which is equal to 20 cm. All right, now look at the solution for this one. Okay. Okay, this one. All right, to solve this one, okay, firstly you have to know, we have to find the volume of the solid, which is the volume of the cylinder plus the volume of the cone. So you have to remember the formula to find the volume of the cylinder, which is equal to pi r square h, okay, which is smaller h here refer to the height of the cylinder, okay, and r here mean the radius for the cylinder, and then plus with the volume of the cone, which is the formula, it is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. Okay, and smaller h here mean the height of the cone, and r here mean the radius for the cone. Okay, then after that, what to do? You have to substitute all the information which is given in the question into the formula here. So equal to, so pi, I use 22 over 7, the constant value for pi. So beside this value, you also can use 3.142. Okay, so this one I use 22 over 7. So multiply with and the radius for the cylinder, okay, given to you in the question is the diameter of the cylinder, which is equal to 14 cm. So the radius, it is half of the diameter. So 14 cm you divide with the 2, you will get equal to 7. So the radius of the cylinder equal to 7. So 7, so power of 2, and multiply with the height. Okay, the height of the cylinder already given to you in the diagram. Okay, if you refer to the diagram here. Okay, sorry. The height of the cylinder. All right. The height of the cylinder, you have to find out the height of the cylinder. The height of the cylinder already mentioned in the question here, which is okay, if the height of the cylinder is twice the radius of the cylinder, so the height of the cylinder, it is equal to 14, because it is twice value of the radius of the cylinder. Radius of the cylinder equal to 7, so height equal to 7 times 2 equal to 12. Okay, 7 times 2 are equal to 14, not 12. So 14. So the height of the cylinder equal to 14 because radius equal to 7. So 7, you multiply with the 2, you get 14. Okay, close bracket, then plus with the this one, you have to find the volume of the cone. So 1 over 3 multiply with the pi. I use also 22 over 7. Multiply with the radius of the cone, it is equal to radius of the cylinder, which is equal to 7. So 7 power of 2, and multiply with the height of the cone. So how to find the height of the cone? Okay, if you refer to the diagram here, okay, we already know the height of the cylinder, which is equal to 14. So the height of the cone equal to 20. You minus with the 14, you will get equal to 6 cm. Okay, so the height of the cone equal to 6 cm. So here I substitute with the 6. Okay, so this one, after you calculate this one, you will get equal to 2,156. Then plus 308. Okay, this one, if you plus, you will get equal to 2464 centimeter cube. Okay, all right. class. Then, all right, so already mentioned in the question, okay, half a kg of the sugar, okay, can produce 1 liter of the syrup, okay, to make it the candies, okay, this one. Half kg of the sugar, okay, can produce 1 liter of the syrup. That means 1 kg of the sugar can produce 2 liter of syrup, okay. Then if there is 100 kg of sugar, so it is equal to 100 multiplied with the 2. So equal to 200 liters. So 100 kg of the sugar can produce 200 liters of syrup. Okay, then you also have to know the conversion of unit, which is from liter to the centimeter cube. Okay, centimeter power of 3 here. 1 liter equal to 1,000 centimeter cube. Okay, this one you have to know the conversion of unit. Okay, all right. Then after that, what to do? All right, to know how many the candies can be produced, if you use the 100 kg of the sugar, okay, so use this one, the volume of the solid. So 2,464 centimeter cube, you divide with the 100 centimeter cube. Okay, this one we want to know 2,464 centimeter cube. It is equal to uh, how many we want to know this one, the volume of the solid in the unit of liter. So you divide with the 1,000 centimeter cube. So equal to 2.5 liter. Okay, all right, next. Okay, so to know how many candies can be produced, if you use 100 kg of sugar, it is equal to 200 liter. You divide with the 2.5 liter. Okay, 200 liter, you divide with the 2.5 liter, you will get equal to 80 candies. Okay, so this one the answer. Okay, because 100 kg of the sugar can produce 200 liter of syrup, then we know it is to produce one candy, we need 2.5 liter, 2.5 liter. So 200 liter, you divide with the 2.5 liter, you will get the number of candies can be produced, which is equal to 80 candies. So this one is the solution for question 6. Okay, all right, class. So next, we go for the question 7. Okay, question 7. So question 7, okay, a cylinder open at the top with a height twice the radius of the base is filled with the water 3/4 full. Okay, 539 milliliter water is needed to fill up the cylinder. Calculate the surface area of the cylinder in centimeter square. Okay, so for this question, you have to use the value for pi. It is equal to 22/7. All right, so how to solve this one? Okay, look at the solution for question 7. Okay, all right. Okay, firstly, what to do for question 7? Okay, from the question there, all right, you have to know the formula to find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, the formula to find the volume of the cylinder, it is equal to pi r square h. Okay, so actually the volume of the cylinder, it is equal to 2,156 centimeter cube. Okay, how to know this one? Because already mentioned in the this one. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Okay, because this one already mentioned in the question here. Okay, 539 milliliter water is needed to fill up the cylinder. Okay, first of all, already state here. Okay, this cylinder is filled with the water 3/4 full. 3/4 full. That means there's still 1/4, 1/4 of water that we need to fill in the cylinder to make it is a full. Okay, that means 1/4 volume of the water, it is equal to 539 milliliter water. Okay, because this one 539 milliliter water is needed to fill up the cylinder. That means this 539 milliliter, it is equal to 1/4 of the volume of the water. Okay, all right. So to find the volume of the water which is can fill for the for to full the to fill up the cylinder, okay, to fill up the cylinder, that means this one, okay, 539 milliliter of water, it is equal to 1/4. Okay, so so to know, uh, so we still have to what we still have to add uh, 3/4 water. This one we want to know what is the amount of the volume which is equal to 3/4 of the volume of the water. So that means 1/4 it is equal to 539 milliliter. So 4/4 actually it is equal to 539 milliliter. You multiply with the 4. Okay. So wait after you calculate 539 you multiply with the 4. Okay. You will get equal to 2156. Okay, because 1/4 it is equal to 539 milliliter. 1/4. That means 4/4 means 4 multiplied with the 539 milliliter of water. That means if you uh, multiply 539 milliliter with the 4, you will get the volume. Okay, the volume of the water which is can fill up the cylinder. Okay, that's why here. Okay, that's why here. Uh, is what the volume of the cylinder, it is equal to 2156 centimeter cube. Okay, this one actually 2156 milliliter. Milliliter, if you convert to the centimeter cube, okay, 1 milliliter it is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Okay, so this one I just change the unit from milliliter to become centimeter cube. Okay, all right. So that means we already know the volume of the cylinder, it is equal to 2156 centimeter cube. This means this is the volume of the water if we fill the cylinder full with the water. So it is equal to 2156 centimeter cube or 2156 milliliter. Okay. Unit conversion, 1 milliliter equal to 1 centimeter cube. Okay, this one is what? This one actually is the formula to find the volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. Okay, so actually what for this one, I use this one because I want to know what is the value for the radius. Okay, I want to find what is the value for the radius of the cylinder. So given in the question here, all right, okay, a cylinder open at the top with the height of the, okay, a cylinder open at the top with the height twice the radius of the base. That means the height of the cylinder, it is equal to 2r because twice the radius of the base. Okay, so this one you have to use the information here, okay, to find the value for the radius. Okay, this one okay, this one, okay, volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h. So pi, okay, this one, okay, pi I use 22/7, okay, multiply with the, okay, r square. Okay, so I write here r square, then times, okay, height of the cylinder, it is equal to twice of the radius. That means multiply with the 2r because height of that cylinder, it is twice value of the radius of the cylinder. So 2r then equal to this one, the volume of the cylinder, 2156 centimeter cube. Okay, this one after you solve, you will get, okay, 22, you multiply with the 2, you will get 44. And then r square, you multiply with the 2r, you will get r square, you multiply with the 2r, you will get 2r power of 3. Then 2r power of 3, you multiply with the 22, you will get 44r power of 3. Okay, then this 7, I bring to the right side, it will become 2,156 multiplied with the 7, which is equal to 15,092, 15092. Okay. Okay, then r power of 3, it is equal to 15092 divided with the 44, because 44 here multiplication. So when we bring to the right side, it will become division. So divide with the 44. So equal to 343. Okay, then r actually it is equal to square root of 3 for the 343. Okay, then equal to 7. So we already know the value for the radius of that cylinder, which is equal to 7. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, all right. So to find the surface area of the cylinder, okay, you have to remember the formula to find the surface area of the cylinder, which is equal to, okay, so the formula to find the surface area of the cylinder equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, actually it is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. But in the question, in the question already mentioned that cylinder is opened. This one, look at the question here. A cylinder open at the top. Okay, that means the opener, we don't have a surface. Okay, so that's why the formula for this one, this formula will become like this. Okay, so it is equal to pi r square, because no need to put 2 here. Okay, just this one pi r square, because at the top of the cylinder don't have cover. Okay, it is open. So that's why no 2 here. 2 pi r square actually, because there for the cylinder, actually for the normal cylinder, there is a 2 area of the surface of the cylinder, which is in the form of the circle. So the area for circle is pi r square. So 2, that means 2 pi r square, you plus with the pi r square, you will get 2 pi r square. But for these cases, okay, that cylinder is opened. That means the top of the cylinder don't have cover. So the formula here will become pi r square. Okay, no need to put 2 here. So it is equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, then you substitute the value for r inside this formula, you will get equal to 22 over 7 multiply with the r equal to 7, 7 power of 2, then plus 2 multiply with the 22 over 7, multiply with the r equal to 7, then multiply with the, okay, h. H, it is equal to the height of the cylinder, it is equal to twice of the radius. That means equal to 14. So radius equal to 7, 7 times 2 equal to 14. So time 14. Okay, height equal to 14, height of the cylinder. Then this one, after you solve, you will get equal to 154 plus 616. So equal to 770 centimeter square, or 770 centimeter square. Okay, so that's the answer for question 7. Okay, so the answer for question 7 is 770 centimeter square. Okay, all right, class. So please, if study this solution for question 6 and 7, and if you have any question about this question 7 and 6, you can ask me in the Telegram. All right. Then for your homework, okay, I want you to answer question number 8. Okay, one question only. Please do question number 8. Try to find the solution for this one. Okay, please do in your math exercise, maths 1, maths 2, and maths 3. Okay, try to find out this one first, and later I will give the solution. But please do this one first in your maths exercise 1, 2, or 3. Okay. Okay, class. And again, if you have any question, you can ask me in the Telegram. Okay, so that's all for our class today. All right, thank you.